Okay, confession time. I hate putting things away. I don't know why. That's the only kind of cleaning that I absolutely hate doing. But this stuff is all piled on my desk and I can't use my desk anymore. So I'm going to take you along with me while I try to sort it out. And the first thing I'm going to sort through is some of these little paper things. It's like ephemera and stuff from, Michael's paper pads, and then like extra greeting cards that nobody used that just kind of like fell into my lap, and I'm gonna try to figure out what to do with them. And yeah, I guess this envelope works for the smaller pieces, and I'm just gonna put that right in this drawer. It's a 12 by 12 drawer and it holds so much paper, and so we've got that. Next up, I have an empty box, and then I have another empty box, and then I have another empty box, and I'm sure I have many more other empty boxes, so I'm gonna put those to the side. I already see more over there, but yeah, I'm gonna put these away while I figure out what to do with them. There's still so much, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it all. So one thing I can do, at least with the jars of stuff that I have like this stuff I got at Michael's, I'm going to put it into a little bag like this, and hopefully that'll be a little bit easier to store. And that's really going to come in handy because all my drawers of art supplies are getting pretty full. So you just smush that in there. That'll work splendidly. And look, I'm making some progress. Look at that. Look. Oh, I think I see a little bit of desk in there. Oh my God. We're so close. And this is where my ADHD was telling me to give up. We're so close. I'm just gonna power through. Just hang in there, Danny. We can do this. Oh yeah, someone gave me this telling me that if I use it on paint, it won't stain my clothes. That was a lie, but I appreciate the thought. Wait, what the hell? I have cream savers? Okay, so these were not from super long ago. I think I bought them just before last Christmas. Oh, I have a packet of sugar. Wow, this is where the treasures start coming out. I'm kind of excited. What else do we got here? Fake spider. Oh, a cookie. Don't worry, it's fake. I promise it's just made of clay. See, watch this. I am messy, but I am not disgusting. Oh my God, you guys, I'm so close. I'm so close. Look at this. Look at all this desk I can see. And it's done. It's done. It's finally done. Oh, wait, hang on. Sharpener. There we go. But it's done. My desk is cleared. My grimoire stays there. My laptop's going to go in that space next to it. And, oh, yeah, I do gotta sort that out soon. But look, it's clean. I can use my desk again. Yeah, I always have these black poster boards for the bottom to hide the messy desk underneath. And look at that. I made a mess of all those already. Yeah, so that stays there. But I can use my desk again. I'm so happy. Thank you guys for watching. And next time you see me, I'll be doing more art stuff. Bye.